I am in love. I smell so good. Like, I literally smell like a cookie. And hi Editors, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. So as you can see in the title of this video, we are going to be doing a hygiene routine. I'm going to show you goddesses my hygiene routine. If you are new here, I am Pole Goddess. This channel is a little bit of everything when it comes to pole lifestyle, natural hair, and skincare. A little bit of everything. So whatever it is that you desire, if you're here for skincare and learning about hygiene, welcome. Definitely subscribe. And also, happy Black History Month. If you haven't checked out my latest video where I show you all the products that I bought at Target when it comes to the lymphatic system, because that's what we're going to be doing in this video. I'm going to show you how to massage your body when it comes to the lymphatic system, as well as using gua sha. That is the reason to why you're here. So let's just dive into it. So when it comes to the lymphatic system, we are going to be using a dry brush as well as using this tool here, which is the gua sha. It is literally a rose quartz gua sha I got from Target. So I'm going to be using this, and I'm going to be using this oil. So I'm going to start off with just like here in the top region before we get down to the lower region. So this one that I specifically got, I got this one where it has eucalyptus and spearmint oil, which helps relax the body and relieve the mind, which definitely need it. And it has jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and aloe vera. So when it comes to the lymphatic nodes, I'm going to do this here, and I'm going to rub this way like that, and I'm going to do it 12 times. And then I'm going to do the same on this side. So overall, I'm just going to just kind of like rub that in all on here. I am going to put this on my face as well. So what I'm doing, I have my hands just like this, starting here and coming down, starting here and coming down. You can do this 6 times or 12 times. And then you're gonna come here in the nose, back, here, back. And you can slide down. As you're massaging here, you're gonna go back up and slide on down. So now I'm going to take my hand here, and I'm gonna come down this way. So I'm gonna put this out. So here, come down this way all the way to my collarbone right there. So here, down, here, down. And we're gonna do the same on this side. Here, down, here, down. And I'm also now just going to massage the oil in. And now I'm just going to put some more oil on my arms. So like I said, we're going to be getting in the shower, but we're going to be doing this dry brushing first. I stated this in my last video where I've been doing a lot of research with using Pinterest. I've been finding a lot of stuff on Pinterest. So I have learned a lot about the lymphatic nodes. So definitely do your own research, especially if you have pain and whatnot. And if you are a dancer like myself, I think this is definitely going to be something that's going to help a lot. So from what I understand is you can brush upwards, coming inwards, down to the heart. That's what I understand is when you brush towards the heart. And if you are going to start this, I have heard that you're gonna be a little red, especially if you're new to this. Y'all won't really see it too much if I turn red. So I'm gonna come down. I'm also just gonna come down with the brush, and then I'm gonna come up to the heart. And then for here, I don't know if y'all can really see, but I'm gonna come this way down. So I'm gonna come in this way. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all my legs. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil, and I'm going to massage upwards. And the reason that I'm doing this, I want to make this clear, I, as a dancer, do not moisturize my skin enough because I have to stay dry. But I've told myself that I need to like figure out some way to like moisturize my skin, where I don't know if I'm gonna do this like every day, but like I said, this is like a new routine for me. So we're gonna see after like a month how you know, I feel and what my body looks like and stuff like that. So now I'm just gonna come up. And I'm gonna do the back. Do the same over here. After doing that, I do feel pretty good. So now I'm going to go and get into the shower. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the Sugar Cookie Native Soap. So this is my face rag. This is only what I use for my face, as well as like my piercings. So right here is the soap that I usually use for, always use, not usually, but like I always use this for my nipple piercing and my belly piercing, because this soap is like, I forgot what kind of soap it is, y'all. I forgot, sorry. But right here I'm cleaning my nipple piercing, and this rag is for my body. So when it comes to my rags, I always like change them out every week. This soap smells so good, y'all. If you want to smell like a fucking sweet treat, this soap is so good. This is the first time I'm using this soap, and I have no complaints, y'all. I have no complaints. Now, I ain't been up under nobody, so I can't tell y'all if someone is like, "Ooh, you smell good," or whatever the case is. But I will tell y'all that right when I get out the shower, I smell it. So I'm cleaning my ears here. I'm making sure I get behind my ears and everything. Also, clean your belly button. I want to make that very clear. Please clean your belly button, whether you have a nipple belly piercing or not. Clean your belly button. So right now I'm just in the shower, just clean it, open up the booty cheeks in the shower, make sure you get the water in between the cheeks. Going back with my other rag, which is my face rag, cleaning my ears and my face. I put the soap on my face because I wanted my face to smell like the soap as well, but we're done in the shower. So now we're going to be doing my mouth routine, my hygiene routine, like brushing my teeth, and as well using my floss water. So this is like something I've been doing for the last couple of months. This is like water flossing. So I'm putting the tube in it. Please be careful because it will squirt you in your face. So yeah, I'm just going in water flossing, and I like this because it really gets in the nooks and crannies of my teeth that I can't get. And then after I brush my teeth, and then I bought these tongue scraper. I usually buy the stick one, but I wanted to get something that's disposable. Sorry if that was gross, but now we're going into skincare. These are the skincare products that I am using. I love CeraVe. I've been using this hydration cleanser for a year now. I love it. It is so good for my skin. So if you are like a beginner, I definitely recommend CeraVe. And I'm going in with the Gua Sha tool. So as I stated in the video where I go on my hygiene shopping, I talk about how the Gua Sha helps absorb it, really absorb into your skin. So I am now putting in the hydration toner. I've never used this before, but I would tell y'all already, this is like I recorded this like a week ago to 2 weeks ago. I'm seeing a tremendous difference already. It's 2 weeks later, I'm recording this, and there's a huge difference with using the hydration toner. Now we're using the daily lotion. I've been using this daily lotion for, I would say, about a year now as well. And we're going to lock and seal that lotion in. It's a very simple like skincare routine. I feel like I don't think it's anything too crazy. There's just steps to it, obviously, but it's worth it, y'all. And also, after 2 weeks of doing this, I already see a difference in my face, in my skin, y'all. It is worth it. And then we are going to seal all of the moisture in with coconut oil, and we're going to use the Gua Sha to end it as well. So I cleaned off my Gua Sha and I put it back in. And now we're going to be putting on the body lotion and using coconut oil. So like I said, this lotion smells so fucking good, for one. I just have to sit here and say that. So I'm really making sure I'm moisturizing my body. So I put the body lotion on, and I'm now sealing it in with the coconut oil. So I'm doing the same on my legs, you know what I'm saying? Really locking it in, really sealing it in, you know? But yeah, so this is my whole routine, my new routine, I should say. And a lot of these products are new, especially the lotion is new for me. And y'all, as y'all can tell, like I love it. Okay, y'all, so I am done from taking a shower. So I'm gonna give a review on the new products that I have used. So number one, the dry brushing and also the oil. So the reason that I chose to do the oil beforehand is because I just wanted to get, you know, more moisture and also overall have my body feel relaxed and replenished and all that and more. One, I can say that I do feel really good and really replenished. I think with the dry brushing, like I was kind of like itchy like afterwards, but I think it's like maybe probably new. I've never done it before, so yeah. But let's get into the fucking products. I used the new Native and the new EOS product of the lotion. Y'all, I can smell myself from right here. Wait, I've never smelled myself like that. I guess like smelling like sweets. Obviously, I haven't been out into the world to know how, like, if I'm walking, if somebody's like, oh, you smell so good, or whatever the case is. Going to the Native, I love the sugar cookie. If you just don't like sweet smells, then it might be too much for you, but I love it. I love it. And on top of that, using the EOS lotion, it is vanilla cashmere, I believe that's what the smell is. So adding the sugar cookie and the vanilla EOS, I want to say that those two combined, I smell like a treat. I smell like a motherfucking treat. I smell like a motherfucking snack, point blank period. So ultimately, I'm going to sit here and say that it feels so good on my skin. Like I feel, one, very moisturized, but the biggest thing is like I don't feel oily even with using the coconut oil. I knew that if I was going to use this specific oil after, I was going to be completely oily, and I didn't want that. I didn't want to feel like oily, but with coconut oil, it doesn't like, I don't feel oily. I've never felt oily with coconut oil. That's why I love using coconut oil, because it seals in the moisture. So after using the Native body wash, putting on the vanilla lotion, and then sealing it in with coconut oil, I don't look like oily. You know what I'm saying? Like I look like regular, I guess. I don't know what the word is to use, but I don't look oily and I don't feel oily. I feel so moisturized. So if y'all want to give this all a try, I will leave all of the products in the link in description down below for you goddesses to give it a try. And on top of that, if you do my routine, please let me know. Please let me know how, like, if you feel good afterwards, especially with doing the lymphatic system, if you feel better afterwards, if it's like, wow, this actually really helped my body or my back problems or whatever the case is. Because like I said, I've had this pain in my back that has like disappeared since I've been doing the lymphatic massages and stuff like that. But I'm telling y'all, bro, I'm not kidding. Like I smell so good. I smell so fucking good. I literally smell like a cookie, and I love sweet smelling things. I am in love. I smell so good. Like, you know, going throughout the day, the smell is gonna last. 11:05, right? And I'm getting ready for bed. So when I took a shower, I think it was around like 3 or 4 o'clock, almost like 6 hours. Y'all, I still smell the fragrance so strong, okay? So I really can sit here and say I really like the fact that the smell lingers and it's so strong, but I enjoy it. I'm just like happy I smell like cookies, y'all. Like I'm really surprised like that I still smell it strongly. Ooh, I smell so good. That's all I wanted to say. Good night. So with that being said, I love you goddesses. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, I don't know where I'm looking, but if you did enjoy this video, definitely love on that like button. And on top of that, it's happy Black History Month. With that being said, I love you goddesses, and I will check y'all next time.